Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Another lovely day in Pattaya, guys. It is roughly 6:45 a.m. and it is a lovely day. Usually, I get up every morning around 6 o'clock, 6:30. So usually, I watch news and everything else. And I'm sure if you're watching the news, there's a comedy show again in the United States between Trump and Zelensky. It's a joke, man. It's just like a comedy. So, yeah, I was watching the news and then I thought to myself, okay, forget about it. It's just like bullshit. So let's go walk at the beach. So, guys, I'm just walking to the beach early in the morning. Lovely day. And after that, I'm going to go back to my hotel, grab a breakfast. And today, I'm heading to Jomtien, guys. I want to go and film Jomtien because I have only a few more days left here. So, and since I came back, like since last year, I didn't go to Jomtien. So, I want to go and see how the Jomtien is and, film a little bit. And early in the morning, video is going to be nice too. Beach probably is going to be very quiet. Anyways, guys, oh, look at the sunrise. Ah, it's beautiful. So what do you guys think about comedy show in United States? He wants to add Canada to United States. Like for, I don't know how many days he's a president now, 4 weeks? Like the guy is just like making mess. I like him, don't get me wrong, I really like him. But there's so much drama involved, like it's a childish drama. Anyways. But don't get me wrong, I like him. And the reason that I like him is gonna do something to Iran. I'm sure you guys know that. And I'm really happy about that. After 47 years, people need a freedom. Enough is enough. Anyways, there's a lot of dogs here. I hope they're friendly dogs. Yeah, usually the beach dogs are friendly. Surprise, I'm not the only one early in the morning at the beach. Look, people going to the beach early in the morning. That's unbelievable. Even people like parking here. So which means there's more people down there. Even the guy with the kid. I'm sure these people are Russian. I gotta tell you guys, like one of the most ignorant, rude, really out of control people are Russian. What happened was yesterday, I was at the Top supermarket here. Top store, it's not the supermarket, it's just a small store. So I was waiting behind somebody. Obviously she was paying. This Russian just came in, like cut me, and then she went in front of me. It's just like, you don't know how much bad behavior you see from them. I hope this war is finished so they can go back to their country, because what Russian doing in this country is just destroying here, Bali, everywhere. If you travel in Southeast Asia, guys, you're going to see Russians. They are miserable. You cannot see them even once laughing. Serious, ignorant, really, they don't have, I don't know what is this culture. I don't understand it. I don't understand. One of the most obnoxious people on earth. Rude behavior, fighting with everybody, fighting with the police here. I'm sure they're doing a lot of illegal stuff here. If you don't believe me, go online and read it. I really hate them. Like, I don't know. I always repeat that because, like in my hotel, 90% here it's just all Russians. It's just enough is enough. Go back to your country, man. You're destroying this poor country. 3 years ago, guys, when I was in Turkey to buy a house, when I was going and looking at the apartment and everything, even the local people was pissed off of them because they came up there and buying everything. Nobody was there except Russians. So even in Turkey, people fed up. Turkey, Greece, everywhere. People fed up with them. Look at it. People say these people running away from the war. So these old people running away from the war? No. They are corrupt. I don't know where the money coming from that they can vacation 24/7. Look, old people. Look. Early in the morning, only Russians. Russians. But early in the morning is lovely, guys. See? So probably after 2 hours here is going to be full of, again, Russians. You won't see anybody else here except Russia. Yeah, I saw one guy from Thailand next to me. That's it. Local. I'm fed up with them, seriously, guys. Fed up with them. So I'm not the only one that early in the morning up. Look at it, guys. There's few other people. It is lovely, man. I really love it. Really beautiful walk, guys. Look at the Russian old people. So these old people running away from the army too? So guys, I'm not gonna go for a long walk because today I'm gonna go for a long walk at Jomtien. So basically I just came out to show you guys lovely morning in Pattaya, guys. Beautiful to get up early in the morning and go for a walk. But since today I'm gonna go to Jomtien, so I want to have some energy left. Yeah, the businesses is started to come in, all these food vendors, even the people is coming now. So that's lovely to see. Hello everyone, good afternoon guys. Another lovely day in Pattaya. Guys, I'm really sad for past roughly like 24 hours. I don't know if you guys watching the news or not. Zelensky, Ukraine president, went to United States and the shit happens. I'm sure if you got the chance, just go and take a look at it. I had a lot of hopes. That something's gonna happen. So there is a ceasefire or finish the war. So this fucking Russian can fuck off from here. Because to me, it's just one of the most annoying things that I couldn't hear absolutely no other language in my hotel except Russians. So it is very annoying to me. So I had a lot of hopes, but unfortunately, it seems to me it was a Zelensky and Donald Trump that didn't get along, because I had so much hope so this war can finish soon, so this Russian can fuck off and go. Because everywhere that I go in Southeast Asia, it's just like mind-blowing amount of Russians. I don't know, I miss some other language. When I'm in the lobby, when I'm outside, when I'm at the pool, when I'm in the gym, I want to see different type of people. People that they have a moral and value. They don't come to gym and scream on the phone. I don't know. It's just so hot. Like, since yesterday, I'm really miserable. Seriously, guys. Like, I was thinking this war is gonna finish, so I won't see these Russians anymore. But unfortunately, still I guess we have to just hear Russians, only Russians in Southeast Asia. Somebody told me, one of my subscribers, I don't know if this individual is subscriber or just leave me a comment, says, why are you picking on them? Because I'm fucking annoyed with their attitude. They are fucking rude. They don't have no respect for nothing. They are miserable as fuck. They are rude. They're taking control of everything, even in the hotel. Everywhere that you go, you see the rudeness. That's why, my friend, that's why I'm picking on them. I'm just sharing my real life. You know, what I see. Why I'm not saying, for example, you know, like there is German invasion of Pattaya. No. It is the invasion of Thailand or Southeast Asia by rude Russians. So, I don't know, man. It's frustrating. In my hotel, since I came to this hotel roughly, now it's going to be a month almost. I saw I talked to 3 guys. That is not Russian. One Israeli guy, and he was a little bit sick. He was a really nice guy. I wish him, you know, fast recovery, because he was a really nice guy, but he was very sick. I talked to one British man and he left, and one guy that was very nice guy from Denmark, all gone. And rest is fucking 99.9% ignorant Russian. So, I don't know, man. I don't know when this war is finished and when these morons can go back to their country. Because if it wasn't nice people, respectable people, yeah. But you cannot communicate with them. You cannot talk to them. They are aggressive, rude. Everywhere that you go, you see it's screaming at everybody. So it is annoying. At night, middle of the night, 2 o'clock, coming drunk as hell and screaming in the lobby or the hallway. So I didn't see nothing good about them. Not even one thing. One thing. That's why I'm pissed. Anyways, guys, this is a lovely day here. What happened here? What the hell happened here? So this is a nice supermarket which is close to my hotel called Best Supermarket. It's good. They have everything. A lot of alcohol and cheeses and everything else. But guys, I had a really wonderful day today. Nice gym time. Then swimming. So tomorrow, I have a few more days left, guys. I have really few more days left. So I'm heading to Beach Road to see if I can film something interesting. So, yeah, that's the situation, guys. Guys, for past few days, really lovely. Like, I came here yesterday too, at the Beach Road. Same time, around 5 p.m. and it was lovely. Look at this. Oh, there's some balloons up there. So let's go take a look at those balloons, guys. I don't have no plan. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just I gotta go to the mall because I have to buy a few things, but after that I'm just gonna walk around and film whatever that I see interesting. Look at the traffic at the Beach Road, guys. Look at it. It is nuts. I really love Beach Road at this time, like 5 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock. Because between like 5 to 6, a lot of people coming just for the sunset, just chilling at the beach. There's not too many crazy people here. But at night, when the freelancers and those ones pops out, the crowd and everything just gets nasty. Guys, everywhere is a balloon at the Beach Road. I believe this balloon festival was for few days. Whole weekends, I guess. But I believe the first day it was much better than rest of the days. Because I remember it was a gigantic balloons, but now not many. In Thailand, always there is something to do. Never boring, never. Always a fun time. See guys, always there's a festival. I believe there is something else coming up next few days too. So that's really nice, you know, really nice. You have always something to do. Of course, there's a lot of balloons for sale too. Look at it, how many people here, guys. It is good for economy. I'm sure a lot of people coming from the city around here on weekends with their family. You know, maybe they don't stay in the hotel, but obviously food, gas, and everything else, and coffee, this and that, you know, adds to the economy. Now, there's a lot of people coming from outside the city, guys. Obviously today is Sunday, so you know, family day. I believe today is the last day. Usually this kind of festival starts on Friday and then finished by Sunday. So it was for 3 days, I guess. But seriously, first day it was much better. And I didn't know nothing about this festival. I was just walking here and I saw all these balloons. Look at the amount of people here. Okay guys, I'm heading back to my room. I was just passing by at Terminal 21. I did film here many times, but it seems to be these kids. Yeah, guys, be honest with you, like I really like Pattaya, but at night it is all about nightlife and the market and stuff like that. And sometimes it just gets boring because I don't go to bars, I don't go to club. So a lot of people come in here for a bar and club. So for them, all day chilling in the room, in the swimming pool, at the beach, and then heading out, getting drunk, heading out, I don't know, 10, 11 o'clock at night. But it is not for me, man. I never been to club here, guys. I never been to the bar. Maybe I went once with one date. I went there and trust me, it was in Walking Street and this chick took me there for a normal beer, guys, a small beer. Cost me roughly 200 baht for each. So-called that was a famous bottle club. Imagine that for 2 small beer, 400 baht. And the same beer at the market, you can buy it for like 30 baht. So I totally understand that. Bar and club usually they charge more. But here it was like, really they're trying to, increase their price when they see foreigners. I don't know if local people can pay 200 baht for a small beer because it just doesn't make sense. At least it doesn't make sense to me. Oh, there's a steakhouse coming here too. You see, guys, this is almost finished. A lot of good brand coming. McDonald's here. I'm not saying McDonald's is a good brand. I'm just saying it is a big brand. So there's a lot of other things that's gonna come up. See, coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. Already all rented. So, and I was thinking about this place because every time that I was staying at North Pattaya, I was passing by here and I thought to myself, so why they're not finishing this? Because it's a lovely kind of location. You see, coming soon, this is a bar. All, oh man. All of them, I have to scream because of the noise, guys. All of them pretty much is rented. You see that? They just, probably next time that I'm in Pattaya, all of them is open. That's lovely, man. And thanks to all these workers that are coming from Myanmar and Laos, because all these guys now building this. Even in Koh Samui, all these people that coming from Myanmar and Laos, all of them working in construction. So last time when I was Koh Samui, I was talking to one taxi driver. He was a very nice guy, very nice guy. He said to me, in Koh Samui, you cannot find any Thai individual to do construction because it's too hot. We don't want to do it. So, and all these people coming from Myanmar and Laos, obviously, you pay them less, and they're building all this. It's good for economy, but it's just like a little bit unfair to me. Like, they're working very hard. They are poor. They don't have no other option. Today, again, I tipped my cleaning lady. Like, you gotta take care of them, man. You gotta take care of them. She always asks me like if I need anything. She does the perfect job, and she comes every day 9:30 because I requested cleaning between 9 to 12. So what she does, she comes always on time. So today again I tipped her, and she was like insisting, no. Last time you give me a really big tip, and she don't speak really English. I said, it's okay, you're working hard. No problem. She wasn't taking, guys. Like, it's just like, some people, it's just like unbelievable. You can't see it from their face, how much integrity they have. She came here, she's teeny tiny, skinny, working so hard. Apparently, probably she gets last money. And when I was tipping her second time, she wasn't taking it. She told me, oh, you paid me very good. I said, no, it's okay, no problem. So, anyways, guys, I'm almost at my hotel. So this is the North Pattaya area. So, I'm heading to my room. Actually, I'm gonna go downstairs next to the swimming pool and sit and chill there. That's it. I really like the North Pattaya vibe. There is no aggression here. Because in Central and South Pattaya is just like fucked up. Just a few bars. Girls are very friendly, no aggression. This is a new restaurant. And you see that dancing. Okay guys, I want to say goodbye and see you guys on the next video. So hopefully tomorrow I don't get lazy and I go to Jumtian. So I want to spend the whole evening in Jumtian. So hopefully I can do that. Okay guys, because I have 3 more days left. Cheers, have a good night. See you guys on the next video. Keep liking the video, comment and subscribe. Cheers guys, bye bye.